Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install apps on my iPhone 15 Pro. So at first open App Store to select apps that you want install. So simply like I'm install Roblox, click on and then click on to get option. Then showing it to this option, just click on to setting and you need to just enable this option. Okay, now I'm already enabled, and go back to App Store again and click on to get, click on to install. Okay, now install running and check my display. So Roblox download processing. So that's it, that's how you can do it.